Hello everyone, welcome to HowFixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery in Asus ROG Strix GL703. To disassemble Asus ROG GL703 you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool, tweezers. In the description I left links where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove screw on the bottom cover. Remove 4 screws on the hard drive. Lift up the hard drive and slightly turn off the cable. Remove all remaining screws on the bottom cover. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the case of laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find the replacement battery for your Asus ROG GL703 using this part number. In any case, in the description of the video I left link where to buy new battery for Asus ROG GL703. Well, that's all. You are on HowFixIT, and see you guys next time.